the guys at Yonlo sent me this blood pressure monitor. Okay, this is very important in your quest for health and happiness, right? What I love the most, and I've been using this one for a month already, is let me show you. What I like the most is how big the display is. You see? And that it comes with the numbers are huge, right? Really big, right? And that it comes with everything you need. So it comes with the unit, right? Of course, and two cuffs, right? So usually other companies that offer this product, they only send you a cuff, like a general cuff for your arm. So I did the test, right? And there's a discrepancy of 10 to 15% every time you use the wrong cuff, right? So you are going to, right, measure your arm, and there's a way of it says it right here what your arm range is, right? And you have to make sure, right, that you wear the correct cuff. That's number one. So in my case, it wasn't this one, which is great that it was the big, because I have the big guns, you see that? So very important to wear the correct cuff. Point number two, very important to place it in the correct angle. Okay? You put it right there with this tubing going down your vein, right? And then you tighten it up. Preferably using a t-shirt like this, so that your skin is exposed, right? You don't want to do this through like sweatshirts, or you want to expose your skin, right? So you do it really nice, right? And then you press that button. You see the display is huge. I mean, the reading is going to be off, because there's something very important, and some pointers that I'm going to give you about taking your blood pressure, right? First of all, let's do this again. It's just that I'm moving too much, right? First of all, you want to take the blood pressure every day at the same time, right? You want to do it when you're relaxed. When you're taking your blood pressure, you're not going to be talking like I am right here. You're going to do it in the same angle every day. Oof, this is squeezing really hard. Like it should, right? You need to be observant of your posture. So you need to be straight, relaxed. You're not supposed to be talking. This is not going to be like, you see it right on my hand. This is not going to be a correct reading, because this is supposed to be flat on the table in your heart's level. So it should be parallel to your heart, right? So yeah, this is, I mean, I have good blood pressure, but this is an inaccurate blood pressure reading, because it's not, you see, it's supposed to be on the table down here on the same level of my arm, okay? But what I love the most about this is plug and play. Look at how beautiful this display is. This is the most beautiful display that I've ever seen on these blood pressure machines. Usually they're like these gray, whatever, boring displays that are hard to really read, right? They don't take into account that the people that use these products are usually older, and that they, in order to see the blood pressure reading, which is such an important thing, that it should be big like this one. So if this is a gift for somebody that is elderly, right? If this is a gift for somebody that you love that is elderly, this is the model that I recommend. So what I did was to use it, I put these things to the test. I get, this is not the only blood pressure monitor I have several here, right? Because this is what we do, we review these things. And I used them for a while before I offer my opinion. And this is very accurate, very lovely. It's portable, which is awesome because you put batteries there, you take it with you anywhere, you know? You put this, you put the batteries, you take it with you. It comes with a bag. It comes with both cuffs. This is what impressed me the most, that it comes with two cuffs. You see? The cuff that I have on and the other one, right? So that you can guarantee optimal reading of your blood pressure. That is such a very one of the most important aspects of monitoring your lifespan, your lifestyle, and your wellness. So thank you to the guys at Yonlo for sending this to me. Congratulations for having such a wonderful product, and this is 100% recommended. As I said before, very important when you're doing these readings. You need to relax, you need to sit down, you need to not talk, not watch TV, not do anything, just relax, close your eyes, take the reading 3 times. Okay? That's the way I do it. I take 3 readings and then you average out, right? Because sometimes you'll get, the first one will be really off or high, and then the second one is sort of like closer to where it is, and then the third one, usually for me, is the more accurate one. So super recommended.